Hello, my name is Oscar, and today I'm going to show you SuperAnnotate's new feature, Agent Hub. With Agent Hub, you can easily add and connect your models to SuperAnnotate to have them in one central location for a wider range of use cases. So you can easily connect your models from different type of providers, such as OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini, and select the model that you need for your specific task. Here you can customize your model to perform the task that you need with the right instructions and settings as well. And you can specify things as the output response format to make sure that you get it in the right output that you need for your task, as well as adding tools to make sure that your models can actually interact with other systems to make it more agentic. This can be used in a wider range of tasks, and you can add it to multiple locations in SuperAnnotate. So, for example, you can soon add it in Orchestrate as an action, but right now you can also leverage it from Explore or the editor itself. This is a use case where we have like a support chatbot, and if I want to do something like pre-label my data, I might have a lot of questions coming in from my users, and I want to pre-label it with an expected output, and then have people go through it and review it. Well, I can do that here in Explore. So I can filter the data that I want to pre-label, and then I just select it and I want to run my model. So I can easily select which model I want to run, select the output component, and also write my prompt here if I want to set it to be slightly different, or select which data the model should pull in at this stage. So I can say answer the question, and then I just provide the question. So this is a very straightforward way for you to add it for doing things like pre-labeling or LLM as judges. Moreover, adding it into the loop of your annotators and QA enable you to do more things such as probe your models for getting the most difficult examples you have there, red teaming, or giving it for annotation support as well to increase quality. So when you're setting up your project, you can very easily drag and drop a button out here and define the model settings for the model that you want people to be able to use in the loop. So whenever an annotator or QA is working on an item, they will be able to click this button, and right now it's going to take the input of the question and output the answer as well. But you can also use the same type of advanced prompts as from Explore. So this enables you to actually probe the models or leverage them in different ways for pre-labeling here as well if you don't have any questions. So example, giving some categories, people can then ask questions about this, like I can't find my password, and run the model to generate an output which they then can evaluate or correct, for example. So the use cases are endless, and you can start leveraging Agent Hub today in SuperAnnotate. Best of luck. Thank you.